This lift is a 8-inch FTS lift. Oh, well, I can't talk with that's copyright. Yeah, I got an 8-inch FTS lift. They finishing it up right now. And it's gonna look funny on the 15s, but it'll be alright. And I'll come back and do some 24s and 37s. Or I'll do 22s and 38s, something like that. I don't really know. What you think? Oh, you don't know.
I do know.
Like them big tires he got. Put the camera on. We gonna go with some big tires like that.
And what size you look for?
26.
26 is going big, ain't you?
Yeah, well, I already got 26s on there now. I just want to go brush.
Okay, brush. That's what I just put on here.
Yeah.
It says so 26 brush. What type of wheel?
It can be a Lexani. I have a Lexani on my Monte Carlo.
Here's what I do. You can get them powder coated.
Yeah. I ain't want to wait.
That's what most people do, especially with FTS, BDS, whatever.
Yeah.
That's back here.
Yeah, that'll work there though. I just come back and look at some wheels and stuff.
Yes, sir.
That'll work. What y'all doing to this one?
We put 28s on here.
28s.
Yeah, we got 28s. He had a blowout though.
Oh, okay.
We had to put a new tire on for him. I don't want out there with you. He's getting a 7.
Let's snap up before it I ain't gonna put you in. How that Monte Carlo sound when I left?
Brother, when you want to sell it, no, because I'm gonna LS swap the thing.
It's already LS swapped in there, but you probably gonna do.
Which LS?
It come out of 2004 Tahoe. It got a 5.3 like that.
Because I've got a buddy of mine.
Yeah.
He's got a wrecked out. He's got a wrecked out with his LS9 sitting in it. Wrecked out that.
Yeah.
Motor's fine. Transmission's fine.
Man, this is gonna be a big lift, man. So it gonna sit right here.
No. We've got that set up so we can put the block, so we can put the rear.
Oh, that block. I know what you're talking about.
You can look at the price.
Let me see this part right here. Yeah. Yeah, I wish I would have powder coated it purple, but it'd be all right.
Yeah. Powder coated the lift kit purple.
Well, you had to go with my theme. Yeah. Yeah. Purple light. Yeah, I got the purple lights too. I forgot about that. Yeah. 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 It'll be alright.
I'm gonna look at the blocks. Look at the blocks on the rear.
Oh yeah.
Go. Right and go up. This one here. No more.
Man, that doggone tire shines don't be playing fair. Might not fit outside. Old shocks right there. Some old shocks. Might need to go with something like this. Huh?
You will keep all your old parts.
Nah, I don't need them no more. You scrap metal or something?
Yeah, we put them in the bin. I didn't know if you want to keep them because it's two-wheel drive. If you ever want to go back stock, you can go back stock.
I don't plan on going back stop.
Yes, sir.
And once I leave, once I get out here, jump out here in this water now, I'm out here. Yeah.
One bracket.
You've been in the game for quite some time. How long you been
Well,
doing the lifts and stuff?
here, this company has 2 different shops. So I've been with this shop and the other one for 2 years.
Okay.
I've been doing lifts 5-6 years.
Oh yeah. So we need thicker one.
Yeah, this little
Hey.
boy. I have it.
So you yeah. Dang.
That's gonna be pretty tall. Gonna be pretty
try
tall.
I know it. I'm gonna lock that gate.
Man, that truck looks funny without the wheels.
That's big.
So how does it ride? Like a lift, basic, like a lift. Okay. All right, thank you.
And John,
All right, YouTube, this is the 8-inch FTS lift that I got. We got the fresh paint on it. All that good stuff. Y'all tell me what you think. It's up there. I'm falling out of the truck, I'll tell you that. So imagine when I put the wheels on there, I'm probably gonna just go 22s and or whatever, but man, this truck gonna turn out to be pretty good. We got another situation with the truck. What's going on with the truck now is when it sits for a little while, when it runs and I give it some gas, it'll have a little small cloud of smoke coming out of it. So we thinking that's the seals. I'm hoping that is the problem, just the seals. I ain't trying to do nothing major. But man, this truck finna turn out to look good, man. Like I said, I hope it's just the seals. Like, it's not smoking now, but just by me letting it sit here and I rev it up, it'll have a little small cloud of smoke. So, but other than that, it runs good. So I don't know, man. Y'all stay tuned. Like I said, I hope it's just really something light, because it runs good. And when I put some wheels on this thing, it's gonna turn out to look like something. So man, y'all hop down in the comment section, tell me what you think. I'm gonna go ahead and probably order tow mirrors as well. Man, it's what I wanted, so it's what I got. I'll keep you updated. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.